Hi everyone, I welcome you all for this session on how to crack an internship through Internshala. Before we go into the main topic, I would like you to understand what exactly we need to do about internship and what do we need to understand about it. So I'll be sharing a short PPT and then we can go ahead and dive into the topic. So how to crack an internship through Internshala is our topic for the day. There are a few questions that might be in your mind. So how should I approach an internship opportunity? So there are few factors that I consider before you go and consider an internship. First is the quality of the role offered. Whatever is the role offered, please go through it, check the role and understand what is happening and with the office and what kind of expectations are they setting and what this role could give you in the future. So, and the next thing that I would consider definitely when you're approaching an internship is the pre-placement offer. If they are about to give a pre-placement offer, then that could be a deal breaker for you because you need not search for the job again. So that could be a good way to see take up that internship opportunity. Next one is the brand value of the company. Look at where the company stands, even though it's only an internship from a company like say TCS or maybe Adobe, any of this sort, it would add a lot of value because you would have learned a lot of tools and techniques that you could use when you're out of the company as well. So look at the brand value of that internship, which is there. And the next thing is it interesting for you is the main question because you're going to decide your future career based on this internship opportunity. It is just like a trial for your future career. So ensure that you like it and so you can go ahead and then finalize this is the role I want and then can go ahead. So next thing, look at whether this role has high market value. There are certain roles in the market which are in demand. So ensure that the opportunity you are getting is one among them, right? So the one more common question people get is the money versus the role. Should I go for the money or the role in an internship? So I would say neither. There is always a balance which you should go for. The first thing is I have always done this 2x2 to understand okay, what is the kind of roles you can go for, right? So now I have done a 2x2 for money versus the role of the brand. So if which and all roles you should take when there is low money and it is not a good company, definitely this is not the place where you want to be. And at least if you go for a startup, you get a variety of experience and it is fully funded. When it is fully funded, you get the variety of experience as well. And at the same time, startups do pay well when compared to other companies. Or if you are winning a jackpot, always you try and look for companies which pay well during the internship and give you a good quality of experience. So this could be a Deloitte, KPMG, Oracle, Google, Facebook, and Paytm. Otherwise, if you are not able to get into these companies, then definitely look at tier 2 companies which offer like IT services, TCS, Wipro, L&T, and also definitely if you are from marketing or HR background, then definitely look at FMCG brands like ITC, Marico, and Colgate. Though they pay you low during the internship period, the kind of experience will you gain will help you reach to the tier 1 companies. So this is what you should be ideally looking at. So I'll be stop sharing the screen and now we'll go straight away to Internshala and how we can crack the code. So let me share my screen and show you how we can crack internship through Internshala. First, go to the website internshala.com. So Internshala is India's one of the pioneers who are being offering jobs to students, and their main things is they offer internship largely to the community. So first thing is you have to go and select where you want the internship and what kind of an internship you want. Suppose for example, let's take marketing. I want a digital marketing internship in Bangalore. So there's a lot of things that come in. Once I'll go through it by the rule which I said. Let's say Designs Australia. So this is one of the premier startup kind of an offering, then let's go and see what we can do with this. So I'm going to view the details. So once I view the details, I have to understand what is going on with the job. So we are a design and digital marketing agency based in Sydney. So we are offering logo, web design, SEO, and all the things based in Australia and overseas. So they're a big player in Sydney. So it is very important to understand what is the role. So work with digital marketing manager to plan, implement digital marketing strategies. So this is a big one. So you are working on keyword research, competitor analysis, audit, AI tools, backlinks, and ongoing. So first thing you should understand is this job description requires all of these skills. So ensure that your resume reflects all these skills, or if it doesn't reflect, then what you do is immediately take up a small course and then try and include all this in your resume. Next thing that you need to do is the skill required for this course. If you look at this course, social media marketing, WordPress, digital marketing, email marketing, copywriting are the skills they are expecting. So how do you, these are the skills that should compulsorily be in your resume. Only then the probability of you getting the internship increases by many manifolds. So how do I ensure that these skills are part of my resume? So go on top, click on your profile. So once you click on your profile, you can get edit resume option in Internshala. In edit resume, go down. So there is a section called skills. In the skill section, ensure you add your skill. For example, I would say there was a skill for SEO, right? Search engine optimization. I would select the skill here, and always I would rate myself as an advanced because that will increase the opportunity for me being selected for this particular role. So ensure that you keep it in advance irrespective of whether you are an intermediate or a beginner, because as an intern, you are only expected to know the basics. If by luck they say, no, your skill is not up to the mark, it's okay, but still you get a chance, right? So ensure you always keep it in advance. By doing these two steps, one, editing your resume, two, adding the skills to your skill set will increase your chances of getting an internship in Internshala very drastically. So somebody says, I don't have a lot of skills, then is there any other way apart from Internshala through which I can get an internship? I would definitely say, please look into the opportunities with your friends and family, and definitely reach out to people who are at a manager or a higher level. They would definitely go ahead and help you with your opportunity. If you are at the end moment, then take up whatever you have got and try the principles whatever I told for the job applications. So as a part of careeryari.com, we also offer a lot of other courses, which is your LinkedIn profile optimization, resume writing, and also other services which will help you gain a job in Tier 1 company. So ensure if you require our service, reach out to us on our contact number that is given in the mail below. Thank you.